Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the deviled egg banana in Banana Eats. This unique cosmetic item allows you to play as a banana character with a fun, deviled egg-inspired design. It is a highly sought-after skin that adds a distinctive and playful touch to your in-game appearance, making your banana stand out from the rest. Originally, the deviled egg banana was an exclusive reward during special in-game events, often themed around holidays like Easter or spring. During these periods, players would typically need to complete specific tasks or collect unique event items, such as hidden eggs, to unlock this rare skin. These events provided a limited window of opportunity for players to add this distinctive banana to their collection. While primarily an event item, some players have reported a 20% chance of unlocking the deviled egg banana through certain in-game drops or mystery boxes. Additionally, completing specific achievements or challenges within the game might offer another pathway. Always stay updated with official game announcements, as developers sometimes re-release popular event items for a limited time. To increase your chances of getting rare items like the deviled egg banana, always participate in seasonal and holiday events. These often introduce exclusive cosmetics. Also, keep an eye out for in-game codes that offer free coins or beacons, as these can sometimes help you acquire special items or unlock new opportunities. Engaging with the game's community can also provide valuable insights and tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.